Why is Roblox UI scale important for responsive design? Imagine playing a Roblox game on your phone and then switching to your computer. The game should look good and work well on both, right? That's where UI scale comes into play. When you build game user interfaces in Roblox, you want everything to fit perfectly on any device. Whether it's a tiny phone screen or a big computer monitor, the UI needs to adjust smoothly. Roblox uses two main ways to size UI elements. One is called scale, which is relative to the parent container or screen size. The other is offset, which is in pixels and gives exact sizes. When you use scale, your buttons, text, and frames resize based on the screen size. This helps keep things proportional, so nothing looks stretched or squished. But if you only use scale, sometimes UI elements can become too big or too small on certain screens. That's why combining scale with offset is a smart move. It gives you control over how big or small elements are, no matter what device players use. Most players on Roblox are on mobile devices, which have smaller screens. If your UI is too big, it can block gameplay or be hard to tap. If it's too small, players might struggle to read text or click buttons. Proper UI scaling makes sure that buttons stay clickable, text stays clear, and the layout stays neat. Developers often test their UIs on different screens using Roblox Studio's emulator. They tweak the scale and offset values until everything looks just right on phones, tablets, and computers. Responsive design also helps prevent UI elements from overlapping or becoming inaccessible. If a button is too close to another element, players might tap the wrong thing or get frustrated. When you set the UI scale correctly, buttons remain as clickable and text remains readable, no matter what device is being used. This is especially important in Roblox games where players come from all kinds of hardware. Without good UI scale settings, your game might look unprofessional or be hard to play. In the end, UI scale is a key part of making your game accessible and fun for everyone. It makes sure your game looks consistent and works smoothly across all devices. When you focus on building responsive UIs with proper scaling, players enjoy a better experience. They can navigate your game easily, read instructions, and enjoy the gameplay without frustration. That's why understanding and using UI scale properly is so important in Roblox creation and development.